Today we talk about how can you enable search of requests on your Amazon Alexa app. We will figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your apps. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on device settings. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on Alexa on this phone, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on sounds, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to start of request, clicking this sign. That, like you see this color show for us, that's means start of request enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.